This week we thought we'd take a gamble and we decided to buy some very handsome and what look quite promising looking retro Betron S2 Bluetooth headphones. And well, a day later we have them right here today. So, spec wise, they are stated as having 16 hours music playback time. Obviously, this will most probably be lower, considering that headphone companies usually test their headphones on a minimum volume setting. But you know what, we will indeed be testing this aspect out for ourselves later on within this video. But as they stand at that reduced price that we paid, which is only £21, that's around 26 in US dollars, I wonder how they will perform, especially considering that some of the reviews look like, well, they're paid for. Yeah, very shifty, but you know what, let's go right in and check them out for ourselves. So, within the box, wow! Now, these look very different, I must say, which is a good point. Again, very retro looking, but they do look kind of small. These are indeed on-the-ear headphones. I do love those shiny chrome vinyl discs to the side, as well as the very lovely looking steel adjustable sidearms. Now there clearly is some obvious accents of orange sitting around the rim of those side discs. That's the same when it comes to the inner part of those earphone cushions, and has matching orange ribbon type wires. The earpads do have a unique design, PU leather earpads covering those 40mm driver units, with a matching PU leather Betron logo embedded headband, with, I must say, real nice bright orange stitching. Function wise, on that right hand drive unit, we have a single pin microphone, there's a 3.5mm audio port, which by the way, an audio cable is indeed included to enable you to use these headphones in wired mode too. Unfortunately though, there's no microphone placed upon that wire, and when it does come to that built-in microphone, well, it will unfortunately only work when this headset is in wireless mode only. Now yes, we do have volume controls, which also act as your previous and next track selections. We do also get the play pause call answering button, which is also used to power this headset on. And when it is powered on, as you can see just here, central on both sides of the driver units, we have those LED pairing indication lights, which I'm afraid I've got to be honest, those lights don't go off once they're paired to your device, which can be a bit annoying, especially when you're listening to music in the dark, or laying with these headphones on your head in bed with someone next to you. Yeah. But lastly, shifting over to the left hand side, we do have a waterproof seal hiding a dated micro USB charge port. I would have preferred it to be Type-C, and yes, well, we get a micro USB charge cable that's also supplied too, as well as a simple user manual. Now, we have been using this Betron S2 headset for a good number of days now, on and off. And to be quite honest, first of all, when it comes to the comfort, these headphones do sit very clamped upon my head. Okay, they won't fall off in rapid movement, but because these earpads are so flat, and that their headphones are rather small, even after being fully extended, the pressure on my ears was almost noticeable within the first minute of using them. Trust me guys, after only 20 minutes of use, I did have to take these headphones off as my ears did start to become very much painful. Too much pressure with the absence of any type of maneuverability when it comes to those drivers. And when it comes to the audio, the audio is the same too. What can I say? The only way I can describe these S2s is simply by labelling them as awful. They have muffled and very poor audio quality. So when it comes to the bass, it is absolute shit. That's all I can say really. The treble, very loud and flat, with the midtones also sounding so distant that within different types of genres of music, the clarity is real poor on the low end of the sound spectrum. Now, if you're new to headphones and you've got these headphones yourself, you might not agree on what I'm saying. But once you have tested out cheap alternatives, which I have indeed done a massive playlist on my channel over a good number of years, these Betron S2s right now, audio-wise, sit completely at the bottom of the pile. For 4.4 stars out of 5 on Amazon, I was actually real shocked. Bluetooth, yep, you can get around 11 meters before the signal cuts off from your phone, but when we did pair this headset to any of our TVs within our house, I did find now and again that they would randomly unpair and pair once again, even after standing up from a seated position. But on a good point, we did test the microphone quality too. and to be honest, it's not too bad. Here's an example.
So this is a prime example of what the microphone quality is going to be like when using your headset with a mobile phone device. Latent said there's no issues whatsoever. As you can tell, my lips are in sync with this video recording just now. And overall, that microphone pickup is nice, crisp and clear, kind of loud in fact. And this is a plus point when it comes to this headset. Well, indeed, the only one.
Overall, I do feel quite let down. I really do love the retro look of these headphones. They really do stand out, looking very bold, with good materials used. And by the way, those functions are easily to blindly locate when the headphones are placed upon your head. Now, with regards to our ratings for design, we are going to give a 9 out of 10. For comfort, they are simply very uncomfortable. Sadly, in regards to this aspect, we have to give them a 2. Music quality, another 2 out of 10, which is the lowest yet on our channel, that is within that price range. For microphone quality, I'm going to give a 7 out of 10, with the battery life and music playback time sitting at a score of 6. With our overall rating for these Betron S2 Bluetooth headphones being a big fat 3 out of 10. Yes. Sadly, I'm gonna say I can't recommend these headphones today. Obviously, I'm gonna leave a little link for you to go and check them out for yourselves. But what I will do, guys, is I'll leave a little link to a video, which will be my top 5 pick of the best budget alternative headphones that you can pick up for a relatively cheap price. Go ahead, check that video out. And if you do like what you see within that video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helped today. I'd very much appreciate it if you please like and share this video wherever possible. Please support this channel by subscribing just now. Very much appreciate it. As well as hitting that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been a gamble testing these headphones out this week, and we hope to be doing some more, well, unique tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace. Ah, shit headphones. Ugh.